Hello guys, good morning. Now we are going to see how to pass the query as the input parameter in the IICS. Very simple. I have my source table as the EMP. My target is the flat file in this particular example. I am going to pass this as my query. Select employee number, employee name, salary from EMP where sal is greater than 1000. This is going to be my query which I am going to pass as the input parameter. Let us see. Very simple. New mapping, create. This is the source and target we have. My mapping name is m underscore input query. So I am giving in query. Okay. My source is EMP, the table which contains the 14 record. Okay. My target is a flat file. EMP underscore flat file. Okay. Now I need to pass for this particular mapping input as the query. So you have to go to the right side corner, the radio button, in parameter panel. In this you are going to add a new object for passing the SQL. Add, so in query, input query. So I'm just naming this as the in query. There are multiple types are available: string, connection, expression, like this. So if you want to pass the query, we can use many techniques. I'm going to use as the data object. I'm going to use this as the data object. Okay. You no need to pass this allow parameter to be overridden. I think we will select it. Okay. Just give OK. Okay. Now select your input. Go to the source. Choose your connection. Mine is the SCART connection, and the object is, it's not the single object. You have to choose as the parameter, because we have created a input parameter there. Drop down the parameter, you will have the automatically the inquiry. That's all. Save your and you have to tell your target right now. Source is there. Fields, don't go worry about that. Fields automatically will take from there. Go to the target. Don't worry about the incoming fields. Select the target. Click the connection. Mine is the file is the connection. So my connection is D data. Target type is single object. I'm going to create this as the flat file CSV file. For that you have to choose create new at the runtime. Okay. So formatting is mine is the comma delimited. Fine. The text qualifier is none. I don't want any double quotes there. So I'm just giving OK. Okay. My target file name is inquiry.txt. Inquiry.txt. Make sure that the file is not there. Inquiry.txt is there, not there in the drive. Inquiry.txt is not there. Okay, it is there. I used that for previous purpose. I delete this file. Okay, so inquiry.txt. Okay, I have created my mapping. Save it. It should be valid. Yes, it is valid. We don't have seen any fields in the source and the target as of now. It is still valid. Okay, now I am going to create a mapping task for this one. Go to the, you have saved, go and click this one, create a mapping task. That means automatically the mapping task will be created for this particular mapping. New mapping task. Your mapping task name is MCT underscore inquiry, the input query. Inquiry. Choose your runtime environment and select your inquiry. Is by default it is selected the mapping. Go to the next. So it's query. You have to give a sample query here, any one of the sample query. I'm just giving select empno, comma, ename, comma, sal from emp. The number of columns should be equal that whatever that you are going to pass in the parameter. Okay, validate, just validate it. Okay, fine, it's fine. Go to the next. The runtime options, we need to create the parameter file. Go to the param file location. Go and download the parameter file template. Your param file is here. Okay. In query, here you have to send your query. I have already my query here in the notepad. Control A, Control C. I'm just going to put this my query here. Control V. Let me give this as the more than 299. I mean 3000 and more than 3000 I want in the result. Let me file save as. I'm saving this file in my same drive, data drive, my parameter file, all files. MCT underscore inquiry dot param. I'm just overwriting this file. Inquiry and param. Yes. So my query is this one above. So let us see that how many records we have in this. Go to here. You can see. So we have 14 plus records there. EMP we have 17 records are here. So if you go and see in the query for this particular among 17, for this particular query we have only 4 records. So only these 4 records are above 2999. Okay, so we need to get the same thing in our flat file. In underscore mct underscore inquiry is my parameter file. So we need to pass that as the input d:/data. This is my parameter file location I have kept. My parameter file name is in underscore mct underscore inquiry. Okay, mct underscore inquiry. Control C. This is my parameter file we have just now seen. Okay, let me pass that as the input here. Dot param. Now save it. It should be valid. It should be valid. Now run it. You should get your data in this particular location. Yes, inquiry, your data is here. See, the 4 records which is salary is greater than 29999 is available here. Like this only you have to pass your queries. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.